Next point is subordinate courts. All the state in our country are divided into districts. Our country has 29 state and 9 union territories, and country is divided approximate 640 districts in our India. Every district has got many kinds of court. In our India there are many type of courts like Supreme Court, High Court, and some lower court like Nyay Panchayat, Munsif Court, Magistrate Court, Lok Adalats, and so on, which decide both civil and criminal cases. In each district, the highest court is that of the district and session judge. He can hear civil suits. Civil suit means the settled dispute between private party, which can include individual and organizations, and suit also finalize many type of cases like divorce, name changes, personal affair that need a judge or a court approval, so called civil suits, and also appeals against the judgment of the lower court. Additional district judges are also appointed if the quantity of work is heavier, means much work, and one court finds it difficult to cope with it. To cope with it means to deal successfully with the difficult matter. The highest district court of trying criminal cases is that of the session judge. The criminal cases can also be heard by the magistrate. So, in subordinate court, civil and criminal both cases included. But if their judgment do not favor a party, if we are not satisfied with the subordinate court decision, he may file an appeal in the district court. After the session court, we apply in the district court, and if the latter also fail, if next we are not satisfied, then to satisfy the party it may go in or for an appeal to the high court. After the decision of the high court, the person apply in the high court of the state. Apart from this, there are courts of sub judges that try civil cases involving property, means the cases that are the matter with property. There are small cause court in big towns that decide cases up to a certain nominal amount that changes time to time. There are village court that decide cases of movable property. Movable property means for example the dispute between the car, bus, and the things that can move. So the village court decide and settle the dispute. And next point is Lok Adalat. As the name, clear with the name, Lok Adalat means a people court. Lok means log. A people court where speedy justice is provided through a compromises. These are people's court. Lok Adalat, it means people court, which follows simple procedure, means no difficult procedure, simple method to settle small dispute. They save time and money of the people. It save the time of the people and give immediate decision, because the process of seeking justice through other court is time consuming, like in the session court, in the high court, and in the Supreme Court. Many cases are pending from last 10 years and expensive too, very costly. Lok Adalat are presided over by the retired judges. Okay, the decision given by the retired judges. The disputing parties put forward their cases without any lawyer and get speedy justice. Clear?